On the Avast support forum, where I have started a Windows 11 topic, I was asked the following question. What does Windows 11 have for native file backup and system imaging? Same as Windows 10. I use Windows System Image, but I don't use Windows File Backup. And in Windows 10, the image backup was actually Backup and Restore Windows 7. Yes, it is still available in Windows 11, but you need to do a little bit of hunt and peck in order to find it. So let me show you exactly how you get to that function. In an earlier tutorial, I showed you how to open the control panel. And the easiest way to get to what we're looking for is through the control panel. Once it's opened, go to File History, click on that. You'll see this takes you into making a backup of your file history, which is not what was asked for. But if you look at the bottom left, it says System Image Backup. Click on it, and once this opens, you're now back to Backup and Restore Windows 7. So yes, it is still available. You can still use it in Windows 11 to create or schedule image backups. Let me add one caveat to that. I'm an insider, so I'm actually working on a beta version of Windows 11 since the final release isn't yet available. It is still possible for Microsoft between now and the actual publishing date to get rid of this function. I personally hope that Microsoft will make it easier to get to this function and make it a part of Windows 11. That's just my own thoughts. But yes, Windows Backup and Restore for Windows 7 is still available in Windows 11. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.